Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will connect mongoDB Atlas to our application and we will also see how to handle errors. So first of all, we need to create folder in the root directory. Okay. So in the root directory, I will create a folder with the name config, and inside I'll create a new file with the name default.json. Okay. And here I'll create an object and I'll need a property with the name mongodb underscore URI, and that is going to be the string. Okay, so let's go to the mongodb account, and here inside the database there is an option. Just click on this connect, and here we need to select connect your application, and we need to copy this string and just go back to Visual Studio Code, and inside double quote we need to paste it. Okay, and we need to replace this password with our password. So in my case, my password is Tech Academy 123. Okay, and here we need to change the database name, so I'll just say MERN auth. Okay, let me save this. So this is done. Now we will create one more file inside the config folder with the name db.js. So I'll be using Mongoose Connect to connect with MongoDB. So I'll create a variable with the keyword of const, and I'll be pulling Mongoose and storing it in a variable called Mongoose. So Mongoose, this is the variable name, and we need to pull Mongoose. So require, and inside single quotes or double quotes, we need to pull Mongoose. Okay. Then we also need to pull config. So again, we need to define a variable with the name config, and that is going to be require, and here I will do config. Okay, then we will also create one more variable, okay, with the name db, and here we need to set it to config.get. Okay, and here we need to get the property, which is this one from default.json. So let's copy this, and here we need to pass that property name. Okay, so this is the value which we have defined here. Okay, let me save this. Now we will have our function, so let's create it. So const, and the function name is connect db. So mongoose connect method returns a promise, and therefore in the server we will set up async await. So here I'll do async. Okay, and then we will have an arrow function, and inside this we will have a try catch block. So try catch. Okay, so inside this we will do await, and here we will pass mongoose dot connect, and this inside this parentheses we will pass the db, which is this variable. Okay, so that we can get this value. Okay, then we can just console log. So console log mongodb connected successfully. Okay, and in the catch block we can have the error message. So console dot log, and here we can say error dot message. Okay, then we can have the, and then we can exit process with the failure code. So let's do that. So process dot exit, and that is going to be 1. Okay, so let me add a comment here, exit process with a failure code. Okay, let me save this, and now we need to bring this variable, this function, inside server.js. So let's go to server.js, and here we need to do const connect db, and here we need to do require, and where is the file? That is inside config slash db. Okay, so inside this folder we have this db.json. Okay, and then we need to call this function anywhere here. So let's do it here, connect. I'll just add a comment, connect to database, and let's call this function. So connect db. Okay, let's save this. And one more thing, this should be done in the last lecture. Here we have defined a variable, so now we don't need this 5,000. We can just pass this variable here. Okay. Okay, so this is done. Let's save this. Now let's run this file. Uh, let's run this application. So npm run server. Hit enter. Okay. Getting some error. ConnectDB is not a function. Okay, what name we have given here? ConnectDB. Okay, we need to export this. Sorry for that. So module dot exports, and that is going to be ConnectDB. Okay, let me save this. Now it will start. Okay, so server started on port 5000, and here is the message: MongoDB connected successfully. Okay, so our MongoDB connection is done. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.